You were giving me so many reasons why you think the government have to make sure that all the imported cars have toilets in them. Wait till I tell you, it's an idea.
That no be say me where, no be me where something. I'm telling you reality. Ghana government, Nigeria government, in fact government of West Africa, they're supposed to do something about this. They're supposed to look for a way to arrange toilets inside motor or car.
And are you sure this thing is going to work?
Why no go work? You can't imagine say Granddy me, they travel go Niger. My brother, I take motor from wetin they call am from Seko here. They go Niger. As we dey go now, reach for the middle of the road, shit begin the hunger. Trust me, na Niger guy, I no fit carry last. I just beg driver, say driver beg you fit off the lights. Driver accept off the lights. My guy, what black rubber, black waterproof where I use the chop something inside. I just carry and move for back seat. Go keep open the thing well. I say nah, this thing just draw my trousers down. Hey, come balance.
Granddy,
man no go carry last. As I just drop this thing, wait, matter never finish you. As I just drop, I no say get one stubborn woman wait inside that motor. She say she dey sleep. Woman begin to do Now me too, I could now. That jack I no fit carry last. I just squat like say I been sit down for on top my chair now. How would you do this kind of wickedness? I say now wow, who even they do this kind of wickedness? Madam, bone na mess, nothing else. Woman just accept to go back. I say, oh yeah, Fioko. Continue the part 2. My God. If no be small thing, drive my yard and just online. Now that website I don't draw my trousers off. I just take cover. So now wait till make I tell you, see. No, seriously. Honestly speaking, they need to do something about it to save person embarrassment. And they tell you.
So do you think they can do that?
If plane go fit carry toilet, why motor no go carry toilet?
But plane is different from motor now.
Or no be motor, or no be movement they do. From one place to another, no waiting make them. Make them do something and they tell you to my guy, the thing be tire me. Man, forget that one, Sha. How far? This is your journey. Guys, don't reach to upgrade, bro. Don't reach to upgrade.
And Ghana, the light off too much. Every day light out. I don't know.
Light out or Ghana no good or the economy no good.
Boy, now our economy now wow.